you. I'm fine. How are you doing? Doing okay today?
I get really excited, and it's like crazy because I'm at home and I'm laying down in the bed and I'm like, I gotta create this right now. For the past 3.5 years, I've been the education supervisor here, along with assistive technology tech for helping out the students with 3D printing and many different technology things here. The teachers use a lot of the objects. They're doing Washington, D.C. This is a way to feel the capitals. This is for a student that may have fine motor issues. You can put the pencil right through here. And then there's a little screw here that you can be 3D printed. And you just turn the screw and it tightens with it. So a student who may not be able to lift his hand up but can glide can write something. I had one student who liked to throw the things when they were finished with them. And then I thought about it and I said, how about I create a little bucket that you can attach to the tray and you can teach the child how to put the stuff inside. Now this attached to wheelchair trays, it attached to desks. If there's a kid who can't walk, who can't get up on their own, at least they're able to participate in cleaning.